You can watch every episode of Hey Duggee on BBC iPlayer.
Oh, woof!
Hey, Duggee! What are we doing today?
Well, Duggee has written a list of all the things we're going to do.
Woof, woof!
But now you can't find it.
Woof.
What's a list?
A list is all the things you need to do written down onto a bit of paper.
Like what?
Like things you need to do around the house.
We'll start with topping up the moat. Done. Next, oil the portcullis. Done. And repoint the battlements. Done.
Woof, woof!
Yes, Duggee. Some lists are of things you want to do in the future.
I want to fly with eagles. Run a desert marathon. Woohoo! This is easy. Win gold at the Harpsichord World Championship. Just have to learn how to play first. Yeah, I'll start tomorrow.
And some lists can be simple instructions.
Step 1. Open box. Step 2. Build quantum computer. Huh?
And shopping lists can help you remember what you need.
What are we getting again?
4 large carrots, 10 baby carrots, 2 redland carrots, a bag of knobbly carrots, a Wanganoo giant carrot, a dozen purple carrots, whatever Chantenay carrots they have, and carrot soup.
And a register is a list of who's there.
Olok, the barbarian.
Here.
St. Norbert, the noble annihilator.
Present.
Wanda, the wayward warrior. Wanda? Anyone seen Wanda?
Lists sound like fun.
Oh, woof!
But you lost yours, Duggee.
Oh, woof!
Then we'll make a new one.
And Duggee can help you because he has his list badge.
Yay!
Woof! To make a list, you need a pencil
Here's one.
and some paper.
Here's some.
Ah, good. Now we need to remember what Duggee had on his list.
Was looking under the rock in your garden on it?
Woof!
It could have been, I suppose.
Rock garden. How about a treasure hunt?
Maybe.
Treasure hunt. Potato printing. Story time. Splashing.
Woof!
Drawing. Jumping. Bumping. Skipping. Dipping.
Maybe just write down everything you want to do today, Squirrels.
Yay!
What's that? Oh, you want more Hey Duggee? Well, ask your grown-up to download the free BBC iPlayer app where you can find loads more episodes. Oh, woof!